Alright guys, welcome back to the show. Today we're going to talk about my garage lighting and the LED wall pack floodlight I put on the back of the house. But before we get started, the winner of the worm drive circular saw is coming across the bottom of the screen right now. And thanks for everybody for participating. Congratulations to the winner. I think you're going to love this saw. Reach out to us, we'll reach out to you, and we'll get this saw sent off to you. But it's August 3rd today. And it is an absolute beautiful, it's going to be a beautiful couple days here in the Midwest. It's going to be in the mid-70s, sunny, light wind. I've already seen a couple deer out here in the morning. It's just beautiful. These next couple days I'm going to be doing a little cleanup on the property since it's cool. So it'll be a nice opportunity for me to wear some pants and do some cutting with my chainsaw and preparing some wood for the winter. But with that being said, let's jump in to the lighting in the garage. Alright guys, so the lighting from my garage came from Prime Lights, and they're out of Austin, Texas. Their website is primelights.com. They have a wide variety of LED lights for shop, barn, garage. They have commercial, they have residential. Whatever your needs might be, they have a good selection. And the reason I like these is because there's so many different mounting options. I wanted mine right up to the ceiling, and you can see there's knockouts in different places on the top, each end, on the sides. You can easily drill a hole with a step bit on the side if you want. So these are really awesome, and they come with 48-inch LED light bars, and they're double LEDs. And you can get the lenses either clear or frosted, and they make them in 3-bar, 4-bar, 5-bar, 6-bar. They got them in all kinds of different sizes. But they are super awesome. I cannot wait to flip them on, and I'm betting I won't be disappointed, but we'll see. Just based on what I've seen so far in their website, I think they're going to be pretty awesome. Alright guys, so let's turn on the lights for the first time here. I waited till after dark, and man, they look awesome. I'm super excited the way these lights have turned out. They're super bright, on top of being really easy to put up. The Candy Kitchen lights, it lights that space up really nice as well. This is the outdoor LED pack that I chose to put out. It's got 2 adjustable light bars on there, so you can, angle them out further or closer to your building. But my air conditioners will sit right next to that door, and that'll provide plenty of light if I need it. Just a really nice light to light up the outside there. And this is an LED wall pack. And if you're not sure what kind of lights you need or how many lights you need, they offer a free layout for your building, for your garage, for whatever it is. You just send them the dimensions, and they'll lay out and give you recommendations on the type of lights you need. So it's a great service. It's a free service, and I think you guys will like it. The owner of the company was nice enough to give me a code to pass along to you to get an additional 7% off your order. So if you guys are interested in lights right now, check them out. And the code for an additional 7% off is Marshall7. I'll put it across the bottom of the screen right now, but you just enter that into their discount code portion when you make your order, and you'll get an additional 7% off. So that's super awesome. Alright guys, well thanks for watching this short video on the LED lights. Hopefully somebody utilizes the 7% off discount code. Again, I really appreciate you guys following along. Hopefully this channel is resourceful for you guys, and we will have at least one more video out this week, if not 2. But until then, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.